Nag-thank you nga si Direk Paulo Valenciano sa 18 matapos na mag-explain ng mga ito na hindi lahat ng 18 ay katulad ng mga natanggap na DMs ni Direk Paulo matapos sabihin niya ang collaboration ng Bini at SB. Muli ay bahagi natin ang naging pahayag ni Direk Paulo. Anya, hello 18, posting this here instead to avoid making it a bigger issue. Been receiving several DMs and tags every hour since I posted the story. I am truly sorry. I just wanted to explain a little bit from my end. Chris Moops and I are together every weekend and we always get excited every time either of us have a major achievement. Chris being Bini's producer and me working with SB as their live director. That night, we were just talking about the recent shows that I work on and also Bini's recent release, First Love, which was co-written by my sister Kiana. And we just said, can you imagine if they did a collab? Naka-red wine na po ako noon. So, na-excite ako at nag-post. It was that simple, no malicious intent. I knew that there is some hostility between fandoms, all the artists I work with some kind of hostility towards them. Even my dad, but I didn't know how bad it was on this side. I didn't realize that it was an all-out war. For that, I am truly sorry. I hear you and also shocked to see a lot of these screenshots. I am still praying that one day there will be some kind of healing, but it's God na bahala dyan. Hehehe, sorry na po 18. At dito ipinakita nga ni Direk Paulo ang mga natanggap niyang hindi magagandang salita and wala namang binanggit kung 18 ba ito or sa ibang panig ng mga fans. At sa bago nga pong comment ni Direk sa official Facebook ng 18 fans, sinabi niya na thank you so much 18 fam. Love and respect you, Direk Paulo. True 18 loves you, Direk. Believe me po. Narito na nga ang paghingi ng sorry ng 18 para sa nasabi nga pong mga DMs na masasakit kay Direk Pau. Sorry about this, Direk Pau. Di naman po lahat ng 18 ay ganyan ang ugali. Please do know that I respect your vision. Also, kahit naman hindi agree ang lahat ng 18, many air their opinion respectfully. Sana po hindi maapektuhan yung opinion niyo sa buong fandom dahil lang po may nahalo na ganyan. Samantala, nag-response dito si Direk Paulo at sinabi niyang, this is true. Ilang mga 18 or SB19 fans pang nagpaliwanag at sinabi nilang, hahaha, sorry po, pasensya na po Direk, huhu, grabe. It's okay. Say ni Direk Paulo, I understand na nashock ako sa ibang screenshots, TBH. Paliwanag pa ng isang 18, no apologies Sir Pau, walang problema sa artist. The only problem is ang mga fandom itself. We still pray na one day tatahimik din ang gulo sa bawat fandom. Anyway, yan nga ang pinakitang suporta ng 18 kay Direk Paulo. At ang sabi nga ng iba, kung sakasakali man na ang nagsabi niyan ay 18 talaga, ay dapat makita niya yung ugali at naa-advisean ang ibang mga 18 na hindi nagsasalita dapat ng hindi maganda. Well, yan ang ating showbiz top update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.